doing this fantabulous work, okay?
One region.
Yeah, do you know what's next Friday?
What's next Friday?
My Patriots ball for ROTC.
7 regions. Inbox 500. You are Denise M. Robinson for the day, 1:58 p.m. Website, HT100. Schoology.
Hold on. I sent you all the links that your mom sent you for the
unread. DR the link for today. Enter. Yep. Main region. Main.
Now, what I want you to do is
escape. List head 1 not remote to show web HT application PDF.
Yeah.
HTTPS www.
Perfect. Enter. Let's load
Enter.
that page.
Untitled Google Chrome. The Youth Leadership.
But I already filled out my Youth Leadership Academy application.
You did, but you had to have help from your mom. I want to quickly show you how you can do it yourself. And then didn't your mom send you another one? Because I don't think she did. I think this was it. So let me show you how you can do this all by yourself, okay?
She didn't send me another one.
Okay. She did or did not?
They didn't.
I didn't think so. Yeah, this is what she helped you with. I want to show you how you can do it all by yourself. I want you to go ahead and pull up your links, and you're just going to hit 2 for 2020.
Links list dial. 2, 2020 ELA application, 18 of 20.
Remember, we save these, okay?
No links. 100.
Wait for it. Okay, virtual viewer. Okay, we already know that. I'm going to tab. Shift tab is typically faster. Shift tab to download button.
Zoom out. Zoom in button to act. Fit the page button to active. Print button to activate. Download button. Rotate. Button.
Go back.
Download button to activate. Press space bar.
Enter.
Enter. Save as dialog. File name edit combo. 2020 ELA application 1. Set the.
Enter.
Enter. Alert. Download complete. 2020 ELA application 1. PDF.
Go ahead and just close your browser so we have full power. We already have.
Alt F4. Type 2.
Go ahead. Windows E. D to downloads, please.
Windows E. File Explorer. ID. Downloads.
Yep.
Enter. File Explorer. Items view list box read only. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Items view multi-select list box. Today expanded. Not selected. 2020 ELA application 1. Space. 2020 ELA application 1.
And enter.
Enter. Edit. Type in text. ELA 2018 application. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC Nugger 2020 ELA application 1. PDF document. 4 headings and 1 link. 2020 ELA application.
Nice. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to be tabbing to each one of your edit boxes. You're going to type it in, fill it out, tab to the next one. Okay? Here we go. Tab.
Birthday edit.
Perfect. Please type in your birthday.
Wait, I don't want to submit my application.
We're not going to, sweetie. I'm just showing you how you can do this all by yourself, just so you can practice the steps. We do not have to fill out all of them, and you can make up stuff. Just, I mean, let's just fun with this. Just put in any birth date you want to.
Birthday edit. Birthday edit.
How about January 1st? Let's say you're born January 1st. How old do we want to make you? How about 1900? Oh, yeah. Yeah, January 1st, 1900. So always use your slashes. So you're going to want to do 1.
Youth Leadership Academy. Middle initial edit. Birthday edit. Enter.
Yep. And you, so
1
0,
slash 1 slash 1
yep.
9 0 0 1 slash 1 slash 1900. Middle initial edit.
That's not going to be an issue on your applications. But when you do anything for the government, they always want 2 numbers and then a 4-digit year. So you would do 01 slash 01 slash 1900. Okay?
Okay.
Tab to whether you're a male or a female.
Email radio button not checked. 1 of 2. Space.
Nice. Tab.
First edit. Type in text.
Okay. Type in your first name.
K-I-B-R-Y.
Okay. I want to see if you actually skipped your last name. Will you shift tab one time, please?
Kimberly. Female radio button checked. 1 of 2.
Okay. Let's find out. Tab.
First edit. Student's last name edit.
Oh, that's hilarious. Beautiful. Last name, please.
E-R-E-G.
Tab.
Rudge. Male radio button not checked. 2 of 2.
Isn't that But it will move to every field. But the thing is, so whoever set this up, they actually didn't realize you have to do field to field. It doesn't matter. As long as it meets every single field, continue to tab.
Home address edit. Type in text.
Beautiful. Okay, make something up. Humpty Dumpty Lane.
Oh,
Easter egg batch. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
Have fun
2,
with it.
3, 4, 1230 FBI.
I love it.
RP.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
E.
Nice job. Tab.
Mailing address if different than above edit. Type in text.
Nah, we'll keep the same mailing address. Tab.
City edit. Type in text.
Where should we have the FBI city be?
Quantico.
Fargo?
No, Quantico.
Quantico. Okay, sounds good. Do you know how to spell Quantico?
Yeah.
QUATOOCOI. O.
Of course.
Zip
you do.
code edit. Type in text.
How about 66666?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, tab again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zip code edit. Type in
Okay,
text.
now if it gets a duplicate, remember that's the other mailing address if it's different, so ignore
State
that.
edit. Type in text.
Ignore that also, that's the duplicate.
City edit. Type in
That's
text.
the duplicate, ignore it.
Table. Column 1. Row 2. Home telephone number with area code edit.
Just
Cell
make it
phone
up.
with area code edit.
Oh, you guys probably don't even have it. A lot of people do not have landlines anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When
So
I
just-
first moved into my house, we had a landline and people called and called. And I was like, hello. Marketer.
So make up a cell phone also, because remember, I'm going to upload this to YouTube. We
One.
don't want real information in here. We're just showing
1,
people how to do form
111.
fields.
Hash. 5.
That's it.
5.
There you go. That's a nice long telephone
55.
number.
Email address edit. Type in text.
Make up your email address too. How about rotcgirl@gmail.com.
ROTCGIRL. Rockgirl@GFILGCM.com. Email
You know,
checkbox
that
not
might be
checked. The
kind
check
of a
rest.
really cool email for you, sweetie. You could do another one. That could be it. Okay. I think you're getting the idea of how easy this is, right? I'm going to tell you where everything gets thrown off. Do you remember when you hit your enter on your link and then it takes you into your virtual viewer and it does not tell you what to do? That's where everyone gets thrown off. So I'm going to have you do that one more time, because once you open it up, you just have to know all you have to do is tab in. Just tab in and fill out the form fields, and you did an excellent job. So let's repeat where everybody gets hung up. So go ahead and Alt F4. Nice job on this.
Alt F4. Acrobat Reader dialog. Yes button to activate.
You
Press
don't have to save it if you don't want
no
to.
button space.
Okay.
Items.
Go ahead and close your downloads, and let's go ahead and go back to Chrome, and we're going to redo that. 'cause
Alt F4. Type 2. My info active button.
Okay, did you leave Chrome open or did you close it?
Meeting controls. Zoom, Cloud Meet, Skype 2.
Okay,
Meeting
okay, go ahead and
controls.
reopen Chrome. We'll just reopen that again.
Search box
Go through
C.
the steps.
Google enter.
Oh, before I forget to tell you,
Yes.
I was in history class yesterday.
Yep.
And it's great, Miss Gherkin, my history teacher, along with Miss Kurth, the librarian, and Miss Richards. She is a technology person here,
Uh-huh.
but they 3D printed and gave me.
You have to turn your video on so I can see it.
No, it's at home.
Oh, okay. You will have to show it to me when I give you a lesson at home. What is it?
Statue of Liberty.
Oh my gosh, so you guys have a 3D printer at your school, or did they do it someplace else?
I believe it's here.
Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I want one.
From my project in history that I did,
Yeah.
print Michelle Obama's face.
Oh, cool. That is so
That almost made me cry.
Yeah, I can totally see that. That is so cool. You
She
have
was an
great
awesome
teachers.
first lady because she helped military vets.
Yep. Yeah, most first ladies do. Actually, I can't name a really bad first lady. First ladies are pretty awesome. They're pretty awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and get back into your Gmail, and let's find that form again. Let's go over the issues
focus.
with virtual viewer.
Search box C. Google Chrome. Enter. New tab Google Chrome. G. N. Alt
Of
D.
course you have your bra display on, right?
Escape.
No.
I
Hold up
know.
4. Join the meeting button on the
No, 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 sweetie, you are
search
on the
box
right
SC.
page.
Google Chrome. Enter.
You know you've
Address and
opened
search bar
3
edit. Type in
Chromes now. Just continue to
G.
type it.
Gmail.com. Enter.
There you go.
Gmail.com. For slow connections, 1 region and 3 links. For slow connections, visited link skip to content. Collapsed visited link using GLND. K12. VA. As mail with screen readers. Main
I
menu
don't
button
need a
expanded.
Tinkerjack.
Visited same page link Gmail. Search mail edit combo. Unlabeled 1 button. Search mail button. Unlabeled 0
Just hit
button.
X,
Google Apps
sweetie.
button. Account colon.
X.
Google account Dr. Denise M. Robinson for today. 1 not the link selected for today. Enter.
Nice.
Main region.
Okay. Actually, if you go down to your applications and not the website,
Escape.
the application will
Remove list head
automatically
1 not remove to show website. Visit applicate visited
Yeah.
link HTTPS SharePoint. Double enter. Untitled Google
SharePoint. Here we
Chrome.
go.
Visited. No links. 63.
Okay, now
100.
hush them up.
Zoom out.
Now, you get a lot of virtual view. Everybody does. They get virtual documents, and you don't fill them out here. And it's blank. And not even a sighted person can tell you what to do about this form because the pop-ups don't come up until you actually get there. So you just have to remember, you can either tab or shift tab. Shift tab is typically faster, but either one will work. So you just have to know when you open it in a virtual viewer, you must tab or shift tab until you hear download, okay?
Mhm.
Yep, plan it in your brain. Here we go. You can choose whether you want to tab or shift tab.
Zoom out. Zoom in button. Fit the page print button. Download button to activate. Press spacebar. Enter.
Nice.
Save as dialog. File name edit combo 2020 ELA application 2 to set the
Now,
value.
go ahead and hush them up. I'm going to show you one more thing because you already have your computer set up. But let's say you have not got your computer set up. Other kids are going to need to Alt-D and type in downloads. So let's pretend yours is not set up for downloads. Let's show everyone else how they can pick downloads. So Alt-D, you're going to hear downloads, but I want you to DOW and then down arrow to
OT,
downloads and
progress bar
enter.
read only. Address edit. OW. Downloads.
Excellent, enter.
Enter. Address. Downloads toolbar. All locations
Yeah.
split button
And
to
hush 'em
activate.
up.
Press the space.
And we know at this point, all we have to do is Alt-S and save. You don't have to move any place else.
Alt S
because-
2020 ELA application 2. Save as dialog. OK button to activate. Press space bar.
Yeah, because go ahead and hit spacebar on OK. 'Cause
Space.
you've already
Save
named
as
it.
dialog. Progress bar.
Yeah, just hit enter. Just hit enter.
Enter. Save as
Oh
dialog.
wow, it's
OK
gonna be
button
very
to
picky.
activate.
Spacebar
Press
on OK.
What is it
space.
doing?
Save as
Yeah,
dialog.
it's because you're duplicating it. Just tap to save.
Search edit. Search box. Command. Preview. Items view. Header. Date. File. Today expanded. 2020 EL.
Alt-N. Alt-N.
Alt N. File name edit
And
combo
enter.
2020 EL application 2 to set the enter. Save as dialog. OK
Oh my
button.
gosh. Spacebar.
Space. Save as dialog.
I know. It's because you've already saved it. Let's rename it. So right arrow. I'm going to show you a trick. Right arrow.
I hate this.
Backspace over the 2 and
Karen 2.
Yeah.
Left Karen.
and backspace a few more times, and then we're
Space
going to
N.
add. How about we add ROTC at the end of it? Spacebar ROTC
N. ROTC.
and enter.
ROTC. Enter. Save as dialog. OK button to activate.
It says it's not found. It doesn't even make sense. Spacebar and OK. It is Rakama, right? Spacebar. So we're gonna hit escape. and
Space.
we're
Save
gonna
as dialog.
hit escape. You got it. Hit escape.
Escape.
That's the reason
Download
why
button
we.
to activate.
Okay, so that's an update because we already know we immediately can go in and save that. So I want you to just hit enter on downloads again and then just enter and save it. Enter.
Download button. Enter.
Yay.
Save as dialog. File name edit combo
Yeah,
2020
and
EL
just
application
enter.
2 to set.
Or Alt S. Enter or Alt S, either one.
Enter. Alert. Download complete.
Okay. Yeah, and you already know you've already got that set up. Easy, easy peasy. Okay, any question about those virtual viewers?
Why
I
are they
know
even
that.
here?
What was that?
Why are they even here?
Because this is life. This is how people do things. We have to know how to take them out and make them accessible. And you can because you're brilliant. Okay, I'll stop the recording on this part and then we'll go off and do other fun things.